The manufacturer of a product Z first increased the price by 5% and then decreased it by 8%. What was the overall percentage change in price? Now, when we have successive 2 percentage changes, the formula which we can use is A plus B plus AB by 100. Now, as the first price has been increased by 5%, we can say A is 5 and then it is decreased by 8%. So therefore, we can say B is minus 8. Now let's substitute those values here. So it becomes 5 minus 8 plus 5 into minus 8 upon 100. So 5 minus 8 is minus 3 minus zero point 0.4. So we can say that it is minus 3.4 percentage. Now because it is minus, we can say it is 3.4 percentage decrease.